parang like ikaw, you don't overthink things eh. 'Di ba? If it needs to be executed, you post it right away, 'di ba? Wala na yung
Oo. Wala. Mahirap kasi kapag, syempre ako passionate ako eh. Pag may if something's happening, it's good news, I post it right away because syempre you're happy.
of course.
You want to express your happiness. You wanna post it. Kasi pag pinatagal mo, parang stale news na eh.
Correct. Napapanis siya.
Panis eh. So,
Mhm.
I do it right away. Call it impulsive, but when you love something, you want to shout the whole world how happy you are, for as long as you're not disrespecting anybody,
Yeah.
do it. Post it. Diba?
And it puts you at the forefront of information eh. Like 'di ba, alam naman natin dito sa Pilipinas na very rare